You can feed the birdies. What does the birdie say?
Alright guys, we're going to do a little DIY with London. We're going to make homemade bird feeders. We have, I started already, but I have the thin bagels just because that's what we have in our fridge, but you can use thick bagels. And we have peanut butter on the front. And what we're going to do is we're just going to dip it into the bird seed and it will stick to the peanut butter, and then we're going to add some pretty ribbon to the top of it and we're going to go hang it on our trees. So we're just going to start with the front of the bagel, and then what I'll do is frost the back of the bagel, and then we will dip it into the bird seed. And we're going to try to let London do this as much as possible without her trying to eat the bird seed and crying. So let me go grab the knife and peanut butter though. Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
Alright, you ready?
Mmm.
Alright.
We're making it for the birdies.
Okay, can you do it? Here. Nope, put it back on the thing. We're gonna keep it on the pan. That's why Mommy put it there. Put it in the pan. Oh.
Good job.
Alright, thank you. Alright, watch.
Yeah.
Watch.
Watch Mommy do it.
London, leave your hands out of it for just a second. We're gonna dip the peanut butter bagel in it. Alright, you ready? Dip it in. Ooh.
Look.
Okay, now wait a second. Now look, when Mommy pulls it out, I'm gonna have to put something in between. Look.
Ooh.
And so then the birdies can eat it. See, guys? Alright, you wanna dip the other one?
Here, you do it.
Dip it. Okay, here, move it around. Move it around in there. Oh, good. Good job. Oh, we'll just take this back off. That part off. Ooh. Now let's pick it up and see. Oh, it looks so great. All right, now let's do this one. Here. Yeah, here. Maybe Daddy will help you with this one.
Ready?
While Mommy frosts the other side.
Here, let's flip this over. Can you do it? Put it in here. Other way. Other way. This way.
There you go.
There you go. Let's move it. Move it up here.
And then the squirrels,
Good
if
job.
the squirrels get a hold of them before the birds, they'll actually eat the whole
Let's take a
bagel.
look.
But
Good
that's
job.
okay. It's just for the animals.
Look.
Hopefully the birds get some of it too.
Good job, Bug. Are you eating it?
But we'll put a bird feeder out there for the birds, even so that in case the squirrels get the. All right, dude. Nope, don't eat it. It's for birdies, not for babies.
No, Bug.
London, that's absolutely disgusting. I mean, it's corn, but it just doesn't taste good. Here.
Good seed.
Here, Daddy. London, be careful,
Here,
honey.
flip it over.
We're making a mess.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
I know.
Move it around,
Oops.
London.
She's too interested in the bird seed.
Yeah. Good job. Look.
Alright, put some on here.
Put some on Mommy's.
That one. Thank you.
Uh-oh, wrong way. There you go.
London.
London, oh no, baby. Here, move this one around.
So gross that she wants to eat the birds. I don't think
It's not
bird
the
seed.
bird seed so much as the peanut butter.
Oh, okay. I was like, the bird seed doesn't look like it would taste that good to a toddler. I don't. But she also
The
eats
bird
dog
seed just gets
treats.
stuck to the peanut
I
butter.
go, but she also eats dog treats.
Good job, look.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get the rest of the peanut butter out of here. My Walmart haul yesterday, and I didn't get any peanut butter.
Oh.
What was I thinking?
Wall.
Wall haul. Alright. Alright, one more bird feeder. Here you go, Daddy.
Look, flip it over. Move it around.
Yeah,
No. Keep it in the pan. Move it around. Like this. You do it.
We're gonna put ribbon on them,
Ooh, pretty.
and we're gonna hang them up outside. Mommy can do this without getting peanut butter everywhere.
Yay! Seed, yeah. Yeah, you think it's good?
She goes, The birdies are gonna say, mmm.
Can you say seed?
It's hysterical. See? This is the finished product. Yay! So pretty. Okay, get another scooper. Get another scoop out. Good job. Are you falling over? Can mommy do one scoop? Can you share? Can mommy do one scoop? Okay. Yay for mommy. Okay, London's turn. Mommy have a turn?
No.
Oh, just another London turn? Okay. Good job. Is it Mommy's turn yet? No. Can you share and Mommy have a turn?
No.
Can you share? We're learning sharing. Okay, thank you for sharing. High five. Okay, I'll share with you when you're done sharing with me, okay? That's how it works. High five for sharing. Oh dear. Okay, can you say please?
See?
Okay, good job.